Good morning, everyone. In our last two class, we have discussed about chapter 3, that is computer application. Okay, uses of computer in different places. Now, in last two classes, we have discussed about the chapter, and today actually we are going to start our exercise. Okay, so all of you are requested to have your computer copy, pencil, eraser, everything with you, and let us start writing question answer. Okay, so please all of you take your computer copy, pencil, and all these things, and go to page number 21. All of you please go to page number 21. Open page number 21. Now in question number 1, you can see connect the computer with the characteristics that make it different from human beings. Means here we have A, B, C, D, E. Five characteristics are written. So out of these five characteristics, which are related to computer, which make the computer different from human being, we need to write, isn't it? So in that case, now let me share a screen with all of you. Please, all of you, write from the screen. Okay. Please write as I write in the screen. Chapter 3, uses of computer. First of all, we will write the name of the chapter and the chapter number. Okay. So after that, now let us write exercise solution. Exercise solution. Okay. Now in exercise solution, the first question connect the connect the computer with the characteristics that make it different from human beings. Okay. Now, out of these five, which is given in the book A, B, C, D, E, out of these five, which are the characteristics? What are the characteristics that makes a computer different from human beings? So the answer is, now before writing answer, let us discuss one by one. The first one, it makes mistakes sometimes. So do you think that computer makes mistakes sometimes? No, never. Computer doesn't make any mistake. So the number A is not the characteristics of a computer. Okay, so after A, number B, it works very fast. Yes, computer works very fast, and for that computer is different from human. So the first characteristics is computer, you give computer works very fast. Computer works very fast. Now number two, Here number C. In book number C, look, it can store a large amount of information. Yes, computer can store a large amount of information, and this is some striking characteristics of a computer, which makes it different from human beings. So we are going to write it can store a large it can store a large amount of information. It can store a large amount of information. Okay, so this is one more striking features of computer. Okay, so sorry to write. Okay, one more is, yeah. Now let's see if there is any other striking features of computer or what. So after C, number D, it gets tired very soon. No, computer never gets tired. So number E is not an characteristics of computer. Okay. After that, number D, it can do many things at the same time. Yes, computer can do many things at the same time. So we are going to write the next characteristics also. It can do many things. It can do many things at the same time. It can do many things at the same time. Okay. So after this, now let us move to the next question. That is question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks with the correct options. So fill in the blanks with the correct options. Yeah. With the correct options. Correct options. Now here, my dear students, first of all, we will write the answers. Questions. Then at last, we will write the answer. So first one, you can write dash on a computer. No, let us write the answers together also. So you can write. Now from the given options here, some options are given: calculations, movie, games, message, stories. So from these options only we need to write our answer. So here we will write from you can write stories. Stories. Okay, on a computer. Okay, computer. Now number B is computers are used for playing games on a computer. Now number C is computers are used for doing calculations. Finished. Number D, No, here computer are used. Okay, computers are used. Okay. Now let us move to question number D. You can watch a movie. You can watch a movie on a computer. On a computer. Now number E. Number E, computer helps us send and receive messages. Okay. Now let's move to question number C. Question number C. Now let's see what we have in question number C. So help Rita and Ravi find their way to bank and the railway stations respectively. So this one is a puzzle game type. You please do it at your home. Okay, this one we can't give in the answer, and this is not actually question answer. This is only a puzzle game type. So you do it by yourself. Now question number 4. What can you do on a computer? Color the circle green if the picture shows the correct uses of computer, and blue if not. Okay, and blue if not. So now how we can do solve sums. Okay, now question number C we will not write. Do by yourself. Okay, do by yourself. Number 4 is, yeah, color the circle. Color the circle. So color the circle. Now the first one, A. A is solve sums. Solve sums. Now we need to put one circle here. Insert now if it is if the picture shows the correct, then we need to color it green. So we'll color it green. Okay, we will color it green. Fill shape green. Here fill outline. Now number B. Number B is wash cloths. 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 Now a computer cannot wash cloths. So what we'll do? We'll color it. See here. Color it blue if it not. So if it cannot do the work, we need to color it blue. So now we are going to color it blue. We need to color it. Where it goes. Yeah. Okay. So drawing tool. The answer, yeah. So from here we will color it blue. So if it cannot do, we will color it blue others. Okay, now see. C, number C is play games. Play games. Now, in computer, yes, we can play games. So, we'll put here green only. Okay? Green only. So, C is green. Okay. After that, we have D. What do you have in D? The treat diseases. Treat, D-E-A, sorry, D-I-D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. Treat diseases. Yes, with the use of computer, we can treat disease. So it will see computer cannot treat disease. We can diagnose the condition of the patient, but computer itself cannot what to say treat any disease. So it will be blue colored only. Okay, blue colored only. So we put one. Okay. After D, then we have E. E, draw pictures. Draw pictures. Yes, we can draw pictures with the help of computer. So here we will put one green box. Okay, E. After E, then we have number F. In F, it is written play music. Play music. Yes, with the use of computer, we can play music. We can play music. So, since it is correct, we put one green box here. So it's also a type of true false. If it is true, color it green. If it is false, color it blue. That's all. Question number 4. Now question number 5. Now question number 5. Now let's see what we have in question number 5. With the help of the pictures clue, unscramble the letter to know names of places where the computer are used. So, with the help of pictures, picture clues, unscramble the letters to know the names of places where computer is used. All of you will write as it is sir is writing in the screen. Okay, there will be no difference of doing all these things. So picture is used. Now A NVK A, isn't it? It is what service bank. Number B B. Number B is So what it will be? It will be school. C. C is PHSO. PHSO. So what it will be? It will be show. Shop. Now D. D. In D we have CEF. CEF. IFO. So it is office. Now D we have not D, A, B, C, D, E. So, E. E we have MOEH. What it will be? Home. Now, after home, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now F. F. What do we have in F? O, R, P, I, A, T. So it will be airport. Airport. Now after F we have G. G we have ILA, W, RY, A, TOS, TIAN. What it is railway station. Okay, it is railway station. After this, now we have one more questions in this chapter, and that is question number 6. Put tick. Put a tick. Put a tick for the correct answer. Correct answer for the correct statement. Sorry, for the correct statement. STATEMENT statement, and a cross and a cross for the wrong one. Wrong one. Wrong ones. Okay. Now we are going to write the questions. Computers are not used at railway stations. So we'll put this one as correct or wrong. So computers are not used in railway station. We have studied that computers are used in railway stations. It's a wrong statement. It's a wrong statement. And so for that we will put here. We'll put here symbol means cross. Yeah. Now we put here cross since it is wrong. Let us put here also cross. And here we put correct. Okay. Now Let's go to question number B. Question number, a computer can do only one. A computer can do only one thing at a time. A computer can do only one thing at a time. A computer can do only one thing at a time. So it's also wrong, because since computer is multitasking, so computer can do many tasks at a time. So here we will put cross. After B, then we have C. Question number C is you can play games on the computer. You can play on the computer. You can play game on the computer. Yes, it's true. So the answer here we are going to put as tick. Now question number D. Question number D, a computer never gets tired. Yeah, a computer never gets tired. Yes, it's a true statement. A computer doesn't get tired. So it will be correct here. Now the last question of this chapter is E. Computer cannot do calculations. Okay, computer cannot do so this is also wrong. Here we will put here cross. Okay, so there's all the answer from this chapter. These are the answers from this chapter. Now I'm requesting all of you, those who missed, to write. Okay, you can write the answers by seeing the videos. The same video will be sent to your WhatsApp group after the class. So from there you can write all the question answers and everything, and read neatly in your computer copy. All the answers you need to write in computer copy as it is. I have written by giving the chapter number, chapter name at the top, and then the question number, write the question and then the answer. So you will write neat and clean. Okay, you will write all the answers with the neat and clean handwriting. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, and we will continue to do the next things from our of computer in our next class. Okay, thank you. Tata, bye all.